Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to Mighty Line Minute. Today we'll be discussing the most crucial aspect of communications effectiveness, essential to all safety communications and in safety messaging. In my opinion, the most crucial element of effective safety communication is empathy. Safety messages resonate most deeply when they connect with people on an emotional level, demonstrating a genuine understanding of their concerns, their fears, and their priorities. Empathy fosters trust and receptiveness, encouraging individuals to internalize safety rules and standards, and thus taking them more seriously. When people feel that their well-being is genuinely valued, they are far more likely to engage with safety protocols and processes and adopt safer behaviors. So, while subject knowledge and the use of tools or props in communications are essential, empathy forms the foundation upon which effective safety communication is built. I recall working on a new federal regulation involving food safety and food ingredient labeling. My efforts were on a volunteer basis. I had the opportunity to work with a food safety regulator in Washington, D.C. When we met, I began discussing the technical issues with the anticipated regulation and how it could be improved. The individual did not seem to be paying serious attention to me, and at the same time did not appear to fully understand how or why the proposed standard could be improved and should be improved. This person was part of a regulatory team for drafting a new food labeling regulation. I was there at my own expense, representing a national health safety organization, eager to add more light to the limitations of the expected proposed rule. I was only able to gain her attention once she was finally able to show further empathy to the situation. Specifically, I explained how mislabeling of food ingredients had caused severe injuries, illnesses, unnecessary surgeries, misdiagnoses, and even death in certain cases. Some of these people I knew personally. Eventually, I saw tears welling up in her eyes. I knew then that she was truly listening and finally engaged in a discussion involving the realities associated with those stories. Without empathy, what can we really accomplish? To ensure the effectiveness of your safety communications, supervisory or toolbox meetings, it's crucial to bring empathy to the table. Look at issues from an affected listener standpoint. For example, what is in it for them? Why are we really discussing this issue? How can it improve everyone's health and safety, their own lives, and by extension, their connections with others? So remember this. We can become better stewards of health and safety by illustrating how we work together as each other's keepers throughout the work environment. And that in itself takes empathy. By delivering true empathy in our conversations and communications, we are far more likely to be effective, gain the trust of employees, and deliver positive results. Now for a word from Mighty Line, take care, have a safe day.
Mighty Line has a variety of floor marking products, including angles, T's, dots, arrows, footprints, letters, numbers, label protectors, and floor signs. Mighty Line tape is durable and built to last. It's the best choice for industrial floor marking and the ultimate 5S solution. View our complete line of floor tape, floor signs, 5S floor markings, and other 5S floor tape products now at MightyLineTape.com.